So welcome teachers. In this video I am going to show you how you can create time slots for your timetable. So first, in your school admin, click on timetable. Then click on manage time slots and select the section you want the timetable to be assigned for. And click on view time slots. So first, select the days, Monday to Friday. If you are going to have Saturday, then you can select Saturday. If not, you do not select it. Then select your school start time. Now let's say maybe 7:30 AM. Whatever your start time is, you can set it over here. Then how many periods or classes you want to have for the day. Now let's say maybe 4. And duration of each period, let's say 40 minutes. So this depends upon your school start time, the number of periods and duration. So you can set it according to your school needs. Then click on next. Then if you are going to have breaks in between, what type of break it would be. Let's say I'm just titling this as a break. You can give the name to the break. Then you can give the name, how much time you're going to give. Let's say I'm going to give 15 minutes break. And after first period. Okay. Next. Now we have had first class, then one break. Now I want to add, let's say, break after another class. Then after the second class again, I'll click on the plus symbol. I can add a time slot as a break. And I'll again name it as a break and set the time for it. So for online classes, we are recommending that if you're going to set the timetable for taking online classes, to have a break after each session. Have a 10-15 minutes break after each session. So again, now let's say I want to have another break after the third session, adding the 15 minutes break. Later on, if you want to change the time slots, you can come over here, back again to manage time slots and add or delete that particular time slot. Once I've done making my time slots, I'll click on save. I can see over here the time slot saved successfully. Okay. So we have made time slots for this particular section. Thank you.